Question number 1 starts with a standard differentiation. Find out the dy by dx. So we've got to differentiate this thing here. Well, the 13 just disappears. 18x goes to 18. And we've got 3 times 2, 6, and the power goes down by 1. 4 times 3 is 12, and the power goes down by 1. There's 1 mark for each bit there, for each of the 3 parts. Part 2 asks us to find the stationary points. Well, it actually tells us to show that this point here is a stationary point. So you could just put that in here and show that it equals 0. But as we've got to find the other one as well, let's do it in the normal way. What do we want? We want dy by dx equals 0. So 18 plus 6x minus 12x squared equals 0. Our first quadratic. You know you're going to get a few of these in the exam. Let's try and tidy it up. There's 6 going into all of these. And I still don't really like that because of this negative x squared. So I'm going to add it all on the other side. And I get 12x squared minus x minus 3, which we need to be able to factorise. The main skill for Core 1, quadratics and factorising. 2 numbers times them together give 3. They're going to be 3 and 1. We've got to get them around the right way. We're going to get 3 and 1 here. This one's going to be minus, and that one's going to be plus. No, the wrong way around. I've got that the wrong way around. So we just turn them round the other way, and this is the plus 1, and this is the minus 1. Look, why is that? Minus 3x's plus 2x's gives the minus x there. So choice 1 is this is 0 when x is minus 1. That's the one we expected from earlier. Choice 2 is this bit equals 0. So add 3 and divide by 2 gives you the other stationary point. X value is x is 3 over 2. Part C. Part C says find d2y by dx squared. It means differentiate again. So differentiating the 18, that now disappears. 6x goes to 6. 12 times 2 is 24, and the power goes down by 1. And the last part, find out whether it's a maximum or a minimum. So the p point was at minus 1, and at that point, d2y by dx squared is 6 minus 24 times minus 1, so it's 30. Now, because that's a maximum, because that's positive, then that implies that the curve is a minimum point. Can't spell now. Minimum. When this is positive, it's a minimum. When it's negative, it's a maximum.